Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Trailvia back with another video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Trailvia channel. I'm so hyped for this one because we're talking about airports. Yeah, airports. I know what you're thinking. Airports, really. But trust me, these aren't your average layover nightmares, architectural marvels, cultural experiences, luxury lounges. These airports have it all. We're about to take off on a journey to the 8 most impressive airports worth traveling for. Let's go. First up, we're heading to Southeast Asia to experience the wonder that is Singapore Changi Airport. This place is like the Disneyland of airports. You could spend your entire layover here and still not see everything. Changi Airport is home to the world's tallest indoor waterfall. It's called the Rain Vortex, and it's a sight to behold. Imagine strolling through the airport surrounded by lush greenery and this epic waterfall. It's insane. Next up, we're flying into the futuristic Hamad International Airport in Doha, Qatar. It's like stepping onto a sci-fi film set with its sleek design and cutting-edge technology. But what sets Hamad apart is the iconic lamp bear. This massive 23-foot-tall teddy bear sculpture became a symbol of the airport and a prime Instagram spot. Now, let's jet over to South Korea and check out Incheon International Airport. Known for its efficiency and top-notch amenities, Incheon also has a free Korean culture museum. Immerse yourself in Korean art, history and traditions without leaving the airport. It's perfect for a quick cultural experience. Of course, no list of impressive airports would be complete without Dubai International Airport. This place is synonymous with luxury and opulence. But here's a fun fact you might not know. Dubai International Airport is home to the world's first and only A380 concourse. That's right, an entire concourse dedicated to the largest passenger plane in the world. Talk about extra! Next stop, we're heading to the land of the rising sun to explore Tokyo Haneda Airport. This airport is a beautiful blend of modern design and traditional Japanese aesthetics. But what sets Haneda apart is its incredible attention to detail, especially when it comes to Japanese culture. From the moment you step off the plane, you're greeted with traditional Japanese gardens, koi ponds, and even a planetarium. Now, let's hop over to Europe and check out Munich Airport in Germany. This airport is known for its efficiency and its impressive art collection. Seriously, Munich Airport takes airport art to a whole new level. They have a massive suspended sculpture called Kinetic Light Ribbon which dances and changes color with the movement of passengers below. It's mesmerizing to watch. Next, we're flying into the bustling metropolis of Hong Kong to experience the futuristic marvel that is Hong Kong International Airport. This airport is a hub of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Hong Kong International Airport has its own automated people mover, using driverless cars to whisk passengers between terminals. It's like something out of Minority Report. Finally, we're landing in the heart of Europe at Zurich Airport in Switzerland. This airport is a testament to Swiss efficiency and design. But here's a quirky fact about Zurich Airport. They have a bike rental service where you can rent a bike and cycle around the airport. Yep, you heard that right. You can get your workout in while you wait for your flight. And there you have it, folks. The 8 most impressive airports worth traveling for. These airports prove travel doesn't have to be stressful. From indoor waterfalls and giant teddy bears to cultural experiences and futuristic technology, these airports are destinations in themselves. So next time you're planning a trip, make sure to explore these incredible hubs of aviation. Let me know in the comments which airport is your favorite. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Trailvia channel.